here we go. I believe that hit the coconut, and it was a good thing to wear a little bit of face protection because the ball did bounce back over here. I'm just going to put the slingshot rifle down now so I can go have a look at what happened. Well, it definitely went in. Here's our second shot here. That was the first one, that was just a miss. I rip some of this open and peel it apart a bit with my thumb. It did hit the coconut, but did not have enough power to split it. Colouring there is just the gel coming away from the coconut, it's just trapped air underneath. So there we have it. Hopefully the slow motion looks pretty decent. That was the slingshot rifle. Good for target shooting or maybe small game hunting. We'll probably need to upgrade to some lead balls so it hits a bit harder. And yeah, really good test of the ballistic gelatin. Stay tuned. I'll probably pull out the pistol crossbow and try this in just a second on a separate video. Thanks for watching, guys. Definitely give this a go. Really cheap to make. Have a good day. So, in conclusion, is the slingshot rifle a fun thing to build? Yes. It does shoot the ammo properly. Didn't have any fly over the garden gate or anything like that. Is it easy to make? Yeah, relatively easy. We need to drill a hacksaw and a vise for the most part. But my one is not strong enough, at least not to kill a zombie. It definitely give a human a very bad day and a concussion, possible concussion. But the gel I was using was quite thick, and the channel I got the recipe from was using it for air rifle pellets, so maybe that was why.